Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows 10 latest version without touching a single thing computer tutorial. So very easy guys. Firstly click on start, type here update, click on check for update, click on window update, and after click on new version update. Method is when to update Windows 10 latest version without losing single thing. Other way, click on open Chrome browser and type here google.com. Action tool, click on media collection tool, and Microsoft website, click on download, and as you like download. If you want to update, download Windows 10 November 2021 update or create Windows 10 installation media. So as you like download and install it and install your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you want to update Windows 10 latest version without using single thing computer tutorial. Thank you for watching.